Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be reupholstering this bench that my husband and I have had since our first house, which was about 6 years ago. And this bench we bought for probably maybe close to $200, and it has a lot of wear and tear, as you can see, but it's still really sturdy, and we didn't want to necessarily get rid of it because I knew I could make it into something a little bit better. And we're quarantined, so why not? So we went to the fabric store before everything kind of shut down, and we picked up some faux leather fabric. I really wanted a bright color, and here I'm just showing you guys what you're going to need, which is scissors, a staple gun, and you're going to need your fabric. Next, we draped over the fabric to kind of see where we would need to place it. Here you guys will see me taking off the legs. I just feel like it would be easier if everything is taken off, just so you can kind of have a smooth surface to kind of staple everything to. As you guys can see, Ace is always in the video. He has no problems kind of sticking around. So now what I'm going to do is I first pull over the material. I cut off the access because you don't need too much access, and you want to pull down really hard on it so that it's kind of firm. And I go in with extra staples just because I want it to be secure so that when people sit on it, it'll be fine. And then here I'm just going to cut off the access, and then again I am cutting off the access for the other side, and then going ahead and repeating that same process. And as you guys can see, I use a lot of staples, so I had to refill my staple gun twice. This is a light duty staple gun. I usually use my heavy duty one, but it wasn't doing the job, and I just wanted something light duty, so I went ahead and used this. I actually purchased this one from Walmart for maybe $7, and then you can get the staples online or on Amazon for maybe $5 or $6. And then when you're doing the edges, you almost want to wrap it like it's a present. As you guys can see, I'm wrapping it like it's a present, and I am making sure I'm getting every single corner, and I'm cutting off that access because you do not need the access. I actually give the access to my niece because she's really getting into sewing. She's 9, so I give it to her so she can play around with it and make Barbie clothes. And then here, this is my little tip. I don't know if many people do this when they're upholstering, but I kind of cut mine into a U, so I won't have all that excess fabric when the piece is done, because sometimes it can be just too much fabric for me. So I have no problem cutting off the excess. And then you want to use a really sharp knife. And then here we are at the end of the project. I really love the way it turned out. My husband loved it. It just came out really nicely. You guys would have never known how beat up it was before. Sorry about the angles. I don't know what I was doing with this camera at this point, but it's done. I love it. The fabric this is probably about 2 yards, and the fabric was only $12 for 2 yards. So I'm happy. I love it. I'll show you guys some more later because I actually did 2 chairs. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.